Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And here we have Xiaomi 14 Ultra and Xiaomi 14 Ultra photographic kit. So today I'm going to have a very quick and very simple unbox video about these two devices for Xiaomi. So this is a smartphone and this is a customized photographic kit for the 14 Ultra, and with this photographic kit we can use this 14 Ultra just as a normal camera, professional camera. So first I'm going to show you what's inside this, and then I'm going to show you what's inside this and how they work together. So first, okay, here is the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. So here, yes, it's the addition we get, Xiaomi 14 Ultra Dragon Glass Blue, 16GB RAM plus 1024GB RAM, 1TB ROM. Yes, and here are the certificate, the card, and the partners: Snapdragon, high-res audio wireless, and here's a Mi Ice Loop, IP68, Dolby Vision, Atmos. Yes, so next, let's unbox it and check what's inside this box. Okay, wow, so after we open it, here we got another package. So I'm a Xiaomi SIM card ejector, and also the basic introduction and the safety information about this device. And this time they also provide a hard plastic case. It's nice, better than the soft one. And also this part is transparent, and this one they use the matted glass fittings to make it not so transparent like this. This is different. And also here, and the camera zone to also make a kind of cloud parries to match the camera design of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra itself. So okay, this is all the stuff inside the first. Let's put it aside. And then here is a smartphone. Okay. Whoa, smartphone. And before we check smartphone, first go to the accessories first. So here's the charger this time, the 90-watt charger, and it's type, I think it's USB to Type C. Yes, USB to Type C cable. Here they provide. So for the charging part, I think it's nothing special. Yes, this time they provide a 5300 golden sand battery, and it supports 90-watt fast charging, and also support 80-watt wireless charging. So if capable fast charging, around 35 minutes you can get fully charged. And about the wireless charging, I think around 50 minutes you can get fully charged. So next, okay, this is the accessories inside the box. And next, okay, let's check the device. Xiaomi 14 Ultra. And whoa, let's get it out from the protector. Whoa. Yes, now remove label, and now okay, the smartphone is in front of us. Let's get a shining blue color glass. Yes, and also the framework also blue but matted. It's matted, not matted glass. It's kind of sand polishing, fittings, framework, even the buttons are blue. Yes, so this looks very balanced design from the back side, and also this is the camera zone. Yes, 1 2 3 4. It's a quad rear camera system, and also they work with Leica to provide the various Samlux camera solution. And around the camera zone, you can find the Cloud Paris special design to make it more, I think, high-end. But there are two circles here. The first is the one is for the silver, shining silver, and then on the silver there is the Cloud Paris camera zone. And also here is the dual color LED flashlight. So this is the camera zone. Compared to the last generation, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, I think it's a very similar design on the camera zone and even the backside. Yes. And also we can talk about the specification about the camera theme first. Let's get a 15 megapixel Sony LYT900 main camera, 23mm and 50 megapixel 3.2 long lens, 75mm and 50 megapixel 5x zoom, 120mm and 50 megapixel wide angle lens, 12 megapixel. And also when I hold it in my hand, I can feel it's not so heavy. And we know this device supports IP68, and so it must be some special technology maybe inside the smartphone. But I can feel it not so heavy. The total weight is 220 grams, and compared to the last generation, the 13 Ultra is light 7 grams. And also dimensions about this device: the lens 161.4, the width 75.3, and here is the thickness 9.2. It's okay. And for the last generation, the battery is 5,000, but this time is 5,300. But the weight, the reduced 9 grams, so this is pretty nice. Yes. So this is a very simple introduction about the design of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. And next, let's wake up the screen and check the more specifications and features about this device. Okay, so let's go to the front side and wake up screen. And yes, enter the system. Okay, so this is the screen, and we check from this angle. And this time the screen is a bit pretty curved and the straight screen. We check from this angle. The screen just like float on the front side. And this time the curved angle is lower than the last generation, and it's more like a straight screen, but it's also just the feeling is like a straight screen, but also it gets a very nice display performance from this angle, just like the totally full screen design. And also we can go to here. 1 2 3 4 sides, the same size narrow bezels for this smartphone. And this time for the screen is a 6.73 inch 120 Hz VRR refresh rate screen, and display resolution 3200 1440, and it supports HDR10 plus. The peak brightness is 3000 nit. Use the C8 display performance and support DC plus and eye protector, and also support Dolby Vision. So this is a master screen from the offshore. And we can go to the display. Screen time Yeah, to check more. Display and brightness. Advanced textures. Reading mode. Refresh rate. You can check. Yes, this display. AI image range. Supported. Super resolution. Enhance videos. MEMC. AI HDR. Form setting. Yes. And also about glass, I forgot to mention is, and also the framework. They call it Xiaomi Dragon Glass and Xiaomi Dragon Leather framework. It's sort of all new and enhanced technology used on this. This is more durable even than the iPhone titanium framework, and even the durability of the glass is improved a lot, 10 times compared to the normal one. And also the hue body we can find. This is the mantle, but here's glass. But it's just used the unibody shaped framework. Unibird. So this is also very nice and very comfortable touching feelings and holding feelings of this device. Yes, so next we can go to the settings and check my device, and we can find more information about this device here. Details, information, and specification here. Details: Xiaomi 14 Ultra, 16 RAM plus 6 actual virtual RAM, and ROM 1 TB, octa-core, max band 3.6 GHz, Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor. Yes. Device activation, Android 14, and also use the Xiaomi HyperOS 1.02. Storage. Here. Storage. Yeah, so these are the basic introduction about the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. And also, I think I have to mention about this tapper. This time the camera is one of the best. I think maybe the top one camera solutions on the mobile. And this time for the main angle, they use the Sony camera. Here, the main one, YT900 Sony sensor. It's used at 22 nanometers and support iOS Fusion Max here. And also the other three lens, they use the Sony IMX85X. Here, this is a periscope one, and also have a wide angle one, and a long lens one, and the main one. And the other three Sony IMX858 are both 50 megapixel. And for the wide angle one is a f1.8 aperture, 12 nanometers focus lens. And also for the long lens one, f1.8 the aperture and 35mm focus lens in support OIS. And also for the long lens one, it's also a 50 megapixel and f2.5 aperture and 120mm autofocus, and also support OIS. Next, I can have a very simple camera test about this camera, and I will show more pictures later. So here, this is the normal wide angle, 2 time, 3 point time, 5 time, and details. Okay, very nice. 1 or 2, 20 per times. Front. Okay, let's go. This is texture. You can find here. Yeah, the zoom performance, the filters. beauty, the UV, the UV. Maximum in support 14 UV, single FPS dynamic range, and also the main camera is support ALD, so it gets very nice performance. And later I will show you how it works with the photography kit. Yes, this is about the camera part. And here are the main introduction about this device, Xiaomi 14 Ultra. And next, I'm going to show you how it works with the Xiaomi 14 Ultra photograph kit.